So let's look at the exercises which are on ordering and selection. So I've got them here, and it starts off with display the employee name, employee number and salary information ordered by salary. And here are the three columns that we want in our result set. Now here, because we're ordering, if you remember in relational algebra, there is no concept of ordering because it's based on sort of set theory and relations. So we won't be writing down any relational algebra expression for this particular query. We'll just be going straight into the SQL. So let's go in and we tap on Create, Query Design, and we go into the SQL mode, and now we get our little editor. Here it is. And it says employee name, number and salary information. Now, we're always going to have these reserved words, select, from and where. And the first step is always to go, okay, what's the name of the table that we're interested in? What's the name of the relation? And in this instance, we're working on the emp table. So it's going to look like that, emp. Are we interested in particular rows? No. We are not interested in particular rows, so there's not going to be a kind of condition. So we can delete the where clause here. And we are interested in particular columns. You can see it says ename, emp number and sal. So up here, I'm going to show ename, emp number and sal, like that. And if we run that, get our result set, looks like that. But this question is actually asking us to do a little bit more because it's saying ordered by salary. So if we go back into the SQL, we can use that reserved word order. What we do is we go order by, and then we simply here we place the attribute, the column name of the thing that we want to sort by. Now this is actually asking us to sort by salary, and the column name is sal. So we go just like that. Select ename emp number sal from emp order by sal, and if we click that, that gives us our result set ordered by sal. Now for the second one's asking us for slightly different columns and a slightly different ordering system. So let's go back to the SQL. So I'm just going to blank those. First question is always which table or tables are we interested in? We know this is going to be the emp table, so I can leave that second line from emp. Which particular columns are we interested in? Well, it's going to be ename, sal and job, like that. And it says order by salary descending and hire date ascending. So it's going to be order by, and then we know it's going to be sal, and then it's going to be hire date, like that. But we just have to remember, if something is going to be, if we're going to use order by, then there is a default, and the default is ascending. So kind of going up, but this is asking us for salary to be descending. So what we do is we just simply put the word DESC in there to indicate that we'll be ordering by salary descending, and then if people have the same salary, we will order by hire date ascending. And ascending order is by default, so we don't need to specify that. Let's try that. There it is. So you can see that the salary is descending. So as we travel down the table, you'll say we're moving from 60,000 down to 18,000. But then inside, whenever there is an element where they are having the same salary, there's that ordering by hire date going on in here. Now, of course, we're not actually displaying hire date, but we don't need to. SQL and the database is smart enough to do all that work behind the scenes, so it is actually ordering by hire date.